There's a whisper in the quiet tonight, like a prayer that don't land right. Heaven's door feels far away, but I'm calling out your name. You were standing in the doorway light, looking like grace in a losing fight. Every step felt soft but warm, like a rose holding on to thorns. I could see where you've been before, all the cracks in your armor's core. You said love don't come for free, but you still gave it all.